we're going to go into the customer table design view, and we're going to be specifying some formatting for some of the fields. First thing we're going to do is for state, we're going to tell it to display it in uppercase letters. So down on the format row in our properties, right below the size, we're going to do a greater than sign, and that is how you tell Access to display in uppercase. If you want lowercase, you would use a less than sign. So greater than sign is uppercase, less than sign is lowercase. Okay, I'm going to save that. Then we're going to go down to zip. For zip, we're doing quite a few things. First, we're going to specify a color. So down on the format row, we're going to say we want the color red. So basically, you just put the color in brackets. Now, brackets on your keyboard are next to the letter P. Okay, you just key in the left bracket, type the name of the color, right bracket. So, I mean, we could do blue, purple, pink, whatever color we want. And after the color, you do have to insert the @ sign. And you need an @ sign for every single letter or number that you want affected by this. So we are going to enter, let's see, our width is 10, so we're going to enter 10 of them. Okay, now we do have a dash in here, and that dash is in right after the 5th digit. So I'm going to count over 1, 2, and in place of that little @ sign, I am going to put a dash. Because that dash, it would be nice for that dash to automatically display, and I don't have to key it. So I've got 5 @ signs for the first 5 digits, put in the dash so I don't have to key it, and then I've got 4 @ signs. Now the default display, let's say I only have a 5-digit zip, I don't have the 9-digit. The default display is for things to fill from right to left. Okay, and that's kind of a problem with the zip code, because if we start filling from the right to the left, we would have some very strange looking zip codes because we'd have a digit with a dash. So basically what we want with this is we want it to actually start filling from the left and go towards the right. So to kind of change the direction that it fills in, at the very beginning, even before the color, well, before the color, if I can get in there, see if I can use my arrow key. Before the color, I need to put in an exclamation point. So the exclamation basically tells it to fill from the left to the right, okay, instead of the default, which goes from the right to the left. So if we fill from the left to the right, we're going to get our 5 digits. Okay? This is if we have a short zip code. You know, if we have the full 9-digit zip, it doesn't matter. It's all going to fill in. But if we only have a 5-digit zip, it is very important that it fill from the left to the right. Otherwise, you're going to have a very strange looking zip code. So we are going to go ahead and save this. And then we're going to test this out. We're going to go over to our data sheet view here, and we're going to key in a customer. Now to test state, we're going to do lowercase, and I can look at the previous zip and I can tell it was correct, but you'll notice I have 2 dashes, so I am going to fix that. Let me go over here though and key in this zip first. And then I'm going to go up here. Yeah. Let's see if I can I'm going to delete that dash that I put in previously. There, that looks much better. And then I'm going to go ahead and key in the phone number. And you may be thinking, well, why can't we do that nifty little dash thing with the phone number? We could, okay? If it were part of this project to format the phone number, we definitely could put the format in, and then we would not have to worry about keying it. And then for this one, they do want that yes as well. And we are going to kind of skip the printing of this. So basically, we'll save our changes here and close.